Alright, we're going to be solving inequalities. Now, solving inequalities is a lot like solving equations. You're going to do a lot of the same type of work. To get rid of plus 7, we'll subtract 7. Anything you do to one side of the inequality, you have to do to the other. 11 minus 7 is 4. So we have x is greater than 4. So if we think about where 4 is on the number line, it's between 3 and 5. Now we're not including 4, so we're going to have an open circle or open point. We're not including 4. And then we are including all the numbers that are greater than 4, which go to the right. 5 is greater than 4, 6 would be out there, 7, all the decimals and mixed numbers in between as well. So our solution is x is greater than 4, and then our graph, open circle at 4, shade to the right. Notice that when you have greater than, you're shading it to the right. You're shading it in the direction that it points. That's when your variable's on the left side. Here, to get rid of minus 2, we'll add 2 to each side. Anything you do to one side, do to the other, until we have y is less than or equal to negative 5. Now think about where negative 5 is. It's between negative 6 to the left and negative 4 to the right. This time we're including negative 5. So when we see that or equal to, we're going to put a point there at 5, or a closed circle at 5. And then less than, we shade to the left. Negative 6 is less than negative 5. Negative 7 is less than negative 5. Negative 8 is less than negative 5. All those numbers to the left of negative 5 are less than negative 5. Again, it's a closed circle because of the or equal to. Number 3. This time we're going to write an inequality for this sentence, and then we're going to solve the inequality. So you don't have to graph this one. A number, so pick a letter to represent that number. You can choose n or x. Decreased by, that means minus, decreased by 4, is greater than. Is greater than, that's going to be your greater than symbol. Is greater than negative 2. So that's your inequality, and now we'll solve that. To get rid of minus 4, we'll add 4 to each side. And so we end up with n is greater than 2. Again, we're going to write an inequality, and then we'll solve the inequality. 6 more than. Now, if it said is more than, then that would be indicating the inequality symbol. But it just says more than, so that means addition. 6 more than x is less than, so that's where our inequality symbol will go, 4. Trying to get x by itself, the 6 is being added to the x, so we'll subtract. That's 6. And so we see x is less than negative 2. I hope you've enjoyed this video.